Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable front windshield blowing and maximum front windshield blowing. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the climate control panel. Simply press this button to enable front windshield blowing, and to enable this function in maximum mode, twist the temperature knob to the right side to maximum and then press it again to the right. Now the max front windshield blowing is enabled. To disable this function, again press this button like this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.